improve your memory right now. Memory means your brain holds on to things that it thinks will be useful in your life in the future. And this is a bit tricky process because your brain is always taking in a lot of information from the environment. Think about how many reels you scroll through every day, how many videos you watch, how many conversations you have. Every single second, the brain has to decide which information is important and which should be deleted. Imagine thousands of books lying in front of you. If you try to fill everything in your mind at once, it is not possible. Therefore, the brain works like a filter. Keep useful things. The rest of the spam or garbage gets deleted automatically. That is why it is very important to understand how memory actually works and how it can be made strong. If you really want to improve your memory, then watch this video till the end, because the 5 actionable steps mentioned in it will take your memory to the next level. Let's get started. One time your focus, so that you can use your focus at the right time. First of all, understand that focus is not a permanent state. The focus does not remain constant. It keeps coming and going like a wave. Sometimes you feel super active and memorize information quickly, and sometimes even after studying for 10 minutes, your mind feels blank. What this means is that you should learn to work at your most productive time. Therefore, keep small study sessions of 20 to 25 minutes and study according to Pomodoro technique or focus waves. When your mind starts getting tired naturally, don't force it. Take short breaks of 2 to 5 minutes. This increases your retention many times over. Memory gets consolidated and you will be able to remember more in less time. I myself use this strategy during exams. Study in small time periods and take mini refresh breaks in between. I remembered the results very well, and there was less stress. 2 testing or self-quiz. Test yourself. Don't repeat or reread what you have just read or seen, but test yourself. Example, instead of remembering Delhi is the capital of India, ask yourself what is the capital of India? Doing this puts your brain into retrieval mode. The prefrontal cortex tries to retrieve data from the memory bank, and this retrieval process makes the memory stronger. Tip: ask yourself about the topic you have read after 1 to 2 hours. Take a piece of paper and write down what you remember. I used to quiz myself on the entire day's topics every night during entrance exams, and believe me, my retention was unbelievably strong. 4 chunking: break large things into smaller parts. If you have to memorize an entire chapter at once, your brain will not be able to store it. It'll be overloaded. Divide the solution chapter into small parts. First, remember one part, then the second, then the third. When the 3 parts are clear, revise them together. Gradually, the brain starts understanding them as a single unit. This is called a chunk. Imagine him packing a suitcase. It is difficult to carry clothes separately, but it is very easy to carry all the clothes in one suitcase. Memory also works on the same principle. 5. Use your senses. Use multiple senses. 2 senses are most powerful in strengthening memory: eyes, visual memory, and ears, auditory memory. For example, to remember the points mentioned in this video, you are both watching and listening. 2 senses are active, but you can also activate a third sense: hands or touch. For example, comment "I improve my memory." By writing like this, your hand also gets involved, and multisensory learning strengthens memory many times over. So always visualize while learning something new. Imagine the picture. Speak with rhythm or beat. Write notes. With this, whatever is read once remains in the memory for a long time. 6. Rest and recovery. Recharge your brain. Breaks are not a waste of time. They are part of learning, because attention cannot remain continuously high. After every 20 to 30 minutes of studying, take a break of 2 to 5 minutes. But the most important thing is sleep, because memory is actually stored during sleep. Whatever you read throughout the day, your brain properly organizes and stores it during sleep. And not just sleepiness, movement or exercise is also very important. During exercise, the body produces proteins called B, D, and F, which strengthen the memory inside the brain like cement. Information is like bricks, but if there is no cement, they will fall. Therefore, do some physical activity every day, like walking, skipping, cycling, push-ups, anything. Hope this video is genuinely helpful for you, especially you students who are preparing for exams. They are part of learning, because attention cannot remain continuously high. After every 20 to 30 minutes of studying, take a break of 2 to 5 minutes. But the most important thing is sleep, because memory is actually stored during sleep. Whatever you read throughout the day, your brain properly organizes and stores it during sleep. And not just sleepiness, Movement or exercise is also very important. During exercise, the body produces proteins called B, D, and F, which strengthen the memory inside the brain like cement. Information is like bricks, but if there is no cement, they will fall. Therefore, do some physical activity every day, like walking, skipping, cycling, push-ups, anything. Hope this video is genuinely helpful for you, especially you students who are preparing for exams.